Valentine's Day for me means a romantic dinner for Denver and I. And this year I'm making this delicious beetroot pasta with some Caesar salad. Start by peeling and dicing some beetroot into large chunks. Steam the beetroot till fork tender. You can also pressure cook it, but steaming is the best way to retain nutrients. While the beetroot is steaming, cook the pasta in salted water till al dente. I like to use spaghetti or any long strand pasta. Reserve some pasta water and set it aside. Drain the pasta and wash it with cold water to keep it from sticking. For making the beetroot puree, I like to use my Bajaj mixer grinder, India's #1 mixing appliance. Add the steamed beetroot, garlic, chili flakes, lemon zest, salt, olive oil, and the reserved pasta water to a blender jar. And blend this together till really smooth. The Bajaj mixer grinder comes with a unique NutriPro feature which retains nutrients of vegetables and other foods while blending. To finish the pasta, add some chopped mint and beetroot puree to cooked pasta and toss this together really well. And that's it. Our beetroot pasta is ready. Super easy and absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day. I like to serve this with a fresh and tasty Caesar salad. To make the dressing, add olive oil, Dijon mustard, garlic, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to the chutney jar of the Bajaj mixer grinder. This is a really easy way to put together a dressing for a salad because as the blender mixes, the dressing emulsifies. Look how perfect that is. Finally, add chopped romaine lettuce and croutons to a large bowl. Pour the dressing all over the salad greens and croutons and toss them together really well. Finish the salad with some shaved parmesan and your crunchy Caesar salad is ready. Serve this delicious beetroot salad with a sprinkling of feta and roasted walnuts. Absolutely stunning on the plate. Some candles, flowers, beetroot pasta and Caesar salad, a glass of wine. I think this makes the perfect Valentine's dinner. Bajaj mixer grinder helps put this evening together so easily.